We've just acquired this lovely Suzuki Vitara just in time for the winter. It's in gleaming black metallic, unmarked anthracite alloy wheels with a lovely white roof. It's very special. It's the SX model. You can see the boot area is in lovely condition. It has extra storage space on this one as well. For four-wheel drive, it's in absolutely lovely condition. Interior is lovely. No rips, tears or marks. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Traction control, fog lights, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth, climate control, USB. It's done 50,040 miles. Locking wheel nuts in there, storage space. For satellite navigation, DAB, media entertainment pack. I think I said Bluetooth, but I'll say it again. There's your map for your satellite navigation. It's got 2 keys with it. Recent service, MOT. A DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.